So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prove the formula for range of a projectile. Now to start with, what's the formula? What is range? Range is the highest horizontal distance traveled by an object from their point of projection. So I'm going to explain that in the next video. So first of all, you need to know, I said range is the horizontal distance traveled by a body or an object from their point of projection, and the range of a projectile is given as ux times time of flight. Ux times time of flight. What is ux? Ux is the horizontal speed. There is vertical speed, so as there is horizontal speed. Vertical speed is denoted as u sine theta, while horizontal speed is denoted as u cos theta. So what I'm going to do, don't forget, time of flight t is equal to 2u sine theta over g. Don't forget, time of flight is the time it takes an object to return back to the same level to which it has been projected. If you are projecting a body from the ground level. So this idea now becomes, so I'm going to have ux, replace ux with u cos theta times the time of flight, which is 2u sine theta over g. After which, when I multiply, I have 2u squared sine theta cos theta over g. Now, I want to remind you of something from your trigonometry identity. From our trigonometry identity, don't forget the concept of identity. We have that sine a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Actually, this is what I need to solve in this problem. So that if I want to have sine theta plus theta, I would end up to every a and b replaced with theta and theta. So I have sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sine theta. And sine theta cos theta sine theta is the same thing. That's like saying 1 sine theta cos theta plus 1 cos theta sine theta. That gives us 2 sine theta cos theta. In one word, I can say sine theta plus theta is sine 2 theta. So in one word, I can rewrite this as u squared times 2 sine theta cos theta over g, and that becomes u squared times, in place, instead of writing 2 sine theta cos theta, I can have 2 sine theta cos theta being replaced with sine 2 theta. So this can be sine 2 theta over g, so which gives me u squared sine 2 theta over g, and this is the proof to range of a projectile. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.